My name is Rahim. For a long time, I only worked hard when someone pushed me. If my teacher gave an assignment, I completed it. If my parents reminded me to study, I studied. If there was a deadline, I became serious. But when nobody was checking on me, everything changed. I delayed my work, I wasted time, I told myself, I will do it later. And later usually became tomorrow, then tomorrow became next week. One summer vacation, I decided to improve my English. I was excited at first. I bought a notebook, I wrote a study plan, I created goals. Everything looked perfect. For the first few days, I practiced regularly. I learned vocabulary. I read stories, I listened to English conversations. Then something happened. Nobody was monitoring me. No teacher asked about my progress. No friend checked my notebook. No one cared whether I practiced or not. Slowly, my discipline disappeared. One missed day became two. Two became five. Soon, my notebook remained untouched. One evening, I was cleaning my room. While organizing my desk, I found a small plant near the window. Months earlier, I had planted it in a pot. I remembered watering it regularly at first, but later I forgot about it. The plant was still alive, but it had not grown much. Its leaves looked weak. At that moment, my father entered the room. He noticed me looking at the plant. Then he said, "Growth needs consistency." I nodded. He continued, "This plant doesn't stop needing water just because nobody is watching." His words made me think deeply. That night I sat quietly. I realized something important. The biggest challenge in life is not starting. The biggest challenge is continuing, especially when nobody is pushing you. The next morning, I made a new decision. I would stop depending on external pressure. Instead, I would learn to guide myself. I started small. 10 minutes of English practice every day. No excuses, no waiting for motivation, no waiting for reminders. Some days were easy, some days were boring, some days I wanted to skip. But I remembered the plant. Growth requires regular care, not occasional effort. Days passed, weeks passed. Something slowly changed inside me. I became more responsible. I no longer needed someone to tell me what to do. I started keeping promises to myself. And every time I kept a promise, my confidence grew stronger. Months later, I looked back. My English had improved, my habits had improved. But the biggest improvement was something else. I had learned self-leadership. I had learned how to keep moving forward even when nobody was watching. Now, whenever I begin something new, I remind myself of one simple truth. Anyone can work hard when they are being pushed. But real growth begins when you keep going on your own. Because your future is built by the actions you take when nobody is checking. And those quiet moments often shape your life the most. Final thought. Do not depend on constant reminders. Learn to guide yourself. The strongest discipline comes from within. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep showing up every day. And always remember, the person who pushes you the farthest in life should be you.